Hi there, I'm Manoj and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Eclipse IDE for Java developers in Ubuntu. So the first thing is you need to install Java before installing Eclipse. So in order to check if Java exists in your PC, just execute this command java space hyphen version. So if this command gives you the version of Java, that means Java is already installed on your computer. Or else if you get an error message, that means Java hasn't been installed and you need to install Java. In order to install Java, you need to execute this command sudo space apt-get space install space openjdk -8-jdk. So if you execute this command, Java will be installed on your computer. I'm not going to execute this because I already have Java installed. So I have installed Java 8 on my PC. If you want to install JDK 11, you can also do this by just replacing the 8 with 11. So there are two ways to install Java. One is using openjdk. You can just execute this single command which I have previously shown. Or you can install Oracle JDK using these set of commands. I'll leave all these commands in the description, so it'll be easy for you guys to just copy them into your terminal and execute to install Java. So after you install Java, it's time to download and install Eclipse. So in order to download Eclipse, go into your browser and type Eclipse download. So after you type this, you need to go into the first link, which is eclipse.org, and after going into that link, you'll see a download button right here. So this will download the latest version of Eclipse into your PC. Make sure to download any version which is after Eclipse Juno, because before Juno all the versions of Eclipse don't support JDK 8. I'm not going to download this because I have already done it. The tar.gz file will be downloaded into your downloads folder. So you just need to extract it by right clicking and use the extract here option. So it will be extracted into a folder like this. So you need to go into that folder and choose this Eclipse installation application. So after double clicking on the Eclipse installer, you'll get these options for downloading. What we are interested in is this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Just click on that and it will auto detect the path of installation. Just click on the install button. So installation completed successfully. It will give you a message. So launch the Eclipse IDE. So the first time you open, you need to choose the workspace. So if you have another workspace, you can just browse through the file system and select it. I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to go with the workspace this is suggesting me. So I'll just click on launch. So Eclipse has been successfully installed on your PC. So let me close this and let me show you how to open Eclipse. So let us close all these. So you need to go into your files and you can see a Eclipse folder right here. So this is the Eclipse workspace. All the code you write goes in here, and this Eclipse folder is where Eclipse IDE is present. Just go into these folders and click on this Eclipse application. So whenever you open Eclipse IDE, it will just ask you to select a workspace. I'm going with the default workspace. So after you get this thing, you just need to go into this files option, new, and create a Java project. So you need to name your project. I am just going to name Hello World, and you need to choose this option, use as project specific JRE, because we've installed Java 8 openjdk, and you just need to click on next. So it's been created, so finish. So this is our workspace. This is the Hello World workspace, and here you can create all the programs. Let me show you how to create a class. Right click on this, new, and class. So you need to name your class. So I'm going to name it as hello, and you can choose this thing. If you choose this public static void main, it will initialize your code with a main function, and finish. So this is your first code in Java in Eclipse IDE. So let us execute a small program. As you're typing, you can see this IntelliSense option. It suggests you which function to use. So you can just run this thing using this option. And the output will be displayed here. So we've installed Eclipse successfully on our Ubuntu machine. So that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video if it was useful, and I'll meet you in the next video.